Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So the pound yen turned up very hard at the 50% level. Yes, there is a gap down here that hasn't filled yet, but sometimes gaps can stay open for a very long time. The way this move down looks to be, it is not impulsive at all. It looks very corrective with the spikes on both sides. Makes me think that this is actually going to go all the way back up and retest these highs and maybe even go beyond. So based on structure, I definitely would still be bullish on sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracer on this whole move down right here, just in case this really is like a wave B or possibly a wave two. If it is a wave B or a wave two, then it would likely go to like the 61 or the 78%, and then make a very aggressive turn to the downside at one of these two levels. If that does happen, then you definitely could try to take it as a sort to see if it makes a wave C or a wave three. But based on the daily time frame, I honestly would not be surprised if it just bounced, went up, and just kept on making higher highs, higher lows. And if it does just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, then anything you see to the downside, you would have to look at as nothing more than possibly an opportunity to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.